Hey everyone, how's it going? So, in honor of Dr. Seuss's birthday coming up, I want to show you guys how to draw one of my favorite characters from when I was young, and that was Sam I Am from Green Eggs and Ham. Now, my mom always read this book to me, so it was always kind of special to me. So, I want to share with you guys how to actually draw this. So, to start off with Sam, we want to begin with his eyes. So, starting right here, you just want to make a small little oval shape like this. And then just another small oval shape right here for his other eye. Then inside of it, I'm just going to make a little oval shape inside each one for his pupil. Now, right underneath this eye, I'm just going to add a little dot and I'm just going to color in most of it for his nose. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to kind of come up here in a smile. And then you want to add a little curved line for his cheek. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little line that goes up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down for his chin. And then a long little line right here for his neck. Now, starting here, I'm going to make three kind of skinny little like spikes that kind of represent his hair. And then I'm going to make a little line that curves up. Then right here, I'm going to add a little line and then another one here for some more hair. And then starting right here, right where we drew that piece of hair, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's just going to come down like this for the start of his hat. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that curves down. And then I'm just going to make a few more of these little kind of spiky shapes for some more hair. Then right here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and it's going to go straight down for his neck. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to curve up. I'm going to go down, out, and then I'm going to come right back here for his hat. Now, starting back here, we want to make the top of the hat. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then it's going to kind of curve down. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around and then come to here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down here. Now, for his body, first I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves for his shoulder. And then right here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of go up, and then it's just going to curve down like a little hook. Then you want to make a line that's going to curve back. And then a little line that goes up and then down for his finger. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this line back, and I'm going to bring it all the way down to his body. And then right here, I'm going to add a little curved line and then another little finger right there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then I'm going to go up and then back down. I'm going to make a little bump right here. And then starting right here, I'm going to add some little kind of like zigzag lines just to kind of show what his shirt looks like. Now we want to draw his leg. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down. And then for his foot, I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that curves out. He's got kind of a long foot. It's going to be pointy at the end, and it's going to come back and then just curve up here. And then it's just going to go right back to here. Then you can add a little curved line on here. Now for his other foot, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down and then up. Make a little line that curves down and then it's going to come back. And then I'm just going to make a line that goes down to here and then goes back up. Now starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve to here. And then another one that's going to curve up here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down for his arm. Then you want to make a line that's going to kind of come back towards the body. And then for this hand, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up, just like this. Kind of looks like a little crab claw. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it right back here. Then I'm going to add a little line and then another little finger right there. Then right here, I'm just going to make a little zigzag line on his neck just to kind of show where the neck of his shirt is. Okay, so we have his whole body. Now we need to draw the famous green eggs and ham. So starting right here, I'm going to make the eggs. So I'm going to make one egg and I'm just going to draw a little oval shape. And then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves down, up, and then back down like this. Then I'm going to make another egg up here. So just same thing, make a little oval shape. Then draw a line that just kind of curves around and then comes to here. Now for the ham. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a little oval shape. Then I'm going to make a line that kind of curves up and then comes down. Then I'm just going to curve it around here and bring it up. Then here, I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curve down. And then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of comes up here, goes right to here for the bottom. And I'm going to make one more that kind of curves right to here. Now for the plate. So starting back here at the back of the ham, I'm going to draw kind of like an oval shape that goes all the way to here. And it's going to jump over this egg and go right to there. Then right underneath it, I'm just going to make a little curved line that goes right to the tip of his finger and then comes up here. Now for the little fork that's sticking up, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and then down. And then I'm going to add another little line right in there. Little curved line up. And then for the handle, I'm just going to kind of make like a little peanut shape. Now, one of the last things we want to do, which I forgot, is we want to give him his eyebrows. So I'm just going to draw two little curved lines right above his eyes for the eyebrows. And then this is your basic version of Sam I Am from Green Eggs and Ham. Now, you can always add the extra details that Dr. Seuss put in. So he has lots of little lines over here by the face. He has like a crazy big zigzag line on the hat. He's got some real small little lines on the body that slowly get bigger and bigger and bigger as they go down. And they run all the way down here. He also has a couple little extra lines back here that you just want to color in all black, just to kind of show where the other part of his shirt is. And then there's going to be an extra little curved line on the ham. And then he's got a couple little line shapes on the ham here as well, just to show some details. And then a couple little zigzag lines on the handle here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Sam I Am. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.